Hello everyone, welcome to the another video edition of College Deco. In this video, we will discuss about CCMT counseling process. So in this video, I am going to explain all the details about CCMT counseling such as detailed process, fee, participating institutes, eligibility, registration process, choice filling and seat allotment. So before proceeding with the counseling process, let's see some of the highlights of CCMT. So just an overview of CCMT counseling. So CCMT is a centralized counseling conducted for MTech, MArch and MPlan admission in NITs, IIITs, GFTIs, IIST, School of Planning and Architecture, etc. So usually CCMT counseling begins within 40 to 50 days after GATE results, and the official notification is released in April or May every year. So the counseling process involves registration, choice filling, seat allotment and reporting. So these are some of the major highlights of CCMT counseling. So eligibility criteria to participate in CCMT counseling. So eligibility rule 1. So the candidate must have a valid GATE score of either current year GATE score or last 2 years GATE score. So the candidates must have passed the relevant BTech, BArch, BPlan degree with a minimum of 60% of marks or 6.5 CGPA. So you need to have at least 60% of marks in your undergraduate course or 6.5 CGPA. For reserved categories it's 55% or 6 CGPA. Only if you have this particular criteria like 60% or 6.5 CGPA or 55% or 6 CGPA, you will be eligible to participate or register for CCMT counseling. So eligibility criteria 3. So the candidates must note that he or she will be eligible for MTech course based on his or her qualifying paper in GATE. So whichever paper you opted in GATE, so based on that paper you need to get admission in the relevant specialization of MTech. If you had appeared for architecture or planning paper, you need to get admission in MArch or MPlanning. So these are the eligibility details of CCMT counseling. So next, CCMT counseling fee. So the fee mentioned here is tentative and this fee may change every year. So you need to click on the link available under this video to check the latest fee structure of CCMT counseling. So but this fee structure is tentative. So the registration fee can be around rupees 2,500 for general and OBC and rupees 2,000 for SC, ST and PWD. And seat acceptance fee rupees 30,000 for general, EWS and OBC and rupees 10,000 for SC, ST, PWD. And registration fee for national spot round. So if you did not get a seat in CCMT or if you did not accept a seat in CCMT counseling, you can take part in national spot round counseling as well. Further, the registration fee is rupees 2,500 for general and OBC, and for SC, ST and PWD it's 2,000. Participating fee for NSR. So for NSR round you need to pay a participation fee of rupees 40,000 for general category and OBC and 10,000 for reserved category. So this is the tentative fee structure of CCMT counseling. And next, CCMT counseling process. So the CCMT counseling process is divided into 7 stages. So the stage 1 is online registration, stage 2 is online choice filling, stage 3 is online seat allotment, stage 4 is payment of seat acceptance fee, stage 5 is physical reporting at reporting center and verification of documents, stage 6 is reporting at allotted institute, and the last stage is national spot round. So national spot round can be voluntarily, not all candidates have to participate in national spot round. So stage 1 CCMT counseling is online registration. So for online registration you need to pay registration fee digitally by using debit card or credit card or internet banking or through SBI e-challan, and then you need to fill the registration form and then agree the terms and conditions. You need to tick mark the checkbox and then you need to submit all the registration details. So once all the registration details are submitted, you will receive an SMS and email about the registration number and password. So you need to keep this registration and registration number and password safe, so that you need to log in. So whenever you log in, you need this registration number and process. So you need to save these details carefully. And stage 2 is online choice filling and login. So this is the important stage or aspect in CCMT counseling. So you need to click on choice filling option. So once the registration process is over, you need to log in again, and then you will see a choice filling option. So the list of participating and institutes and courses will be displayed on the screen. So all the institutes list will be displayed on the screen, and there is no limit on the number of choices you can choose, and it is advisable to choose as many choices as possible. So you can choose any number of choices, and there is no limit on the number of choices. So when you select an institute, you need to select the course also, like which course you want to join, like that you need to select that course as well. So there is no limit on the number of choices. You can fill as many number of choices as possible. So after filling the options, you need to log and save the choices. So if you are sure about the entire choices filled by you, then you can click on the save. You can click on save choices and log them. So once you log the choices, you cannot edit them. So you can edit the choices if you do not log the choices. So be careful while exercising this option. So at least like 1 to 2 weeks will be given for choice filling. So you need to make sure that you have filled the right choices and you have logged the right choices. So after filling the choices, you can take the printout of the same. So once all the choices are filled, you can take the printout of that saved or logged choices. And stage 3 is online seat allotment. So candidates will be allocated seats on the basis of the choices filled in the choice filling form and reservation policies. Gate score is also considered for the seat allotment, and vacant seats available in the institute. So seat allotment is processed on the basis of these factors. So after the seat allotment, you will have 3 options to choose. One is freeze, float and slide. So if you are choosing freezing option, it means that you are satisfied with the seat allotment and you will not be eligible for the next round of counseling. So if you are choosing freeze, it means that you are confirming your admission and you need not participate in the next round of counseling. Next, float option, floating. So if you choose the floating option, it means that you want to participate for you are waiting for a better seat allotment. So if you are looking for a better option, you can choose the option floating. For such candidates, the allocated seat in the existing round will not be cancelled, and if the seat allotment is upgraded in the next round, he or she can go with the better allotment. So if you are not satisfied with the seat allotment, here what you can do is, you need not reject the seat allotment. You can keep that seat allotment by selecting floating option, and you can wait for the better seat allotment in the next round. So in this case, the seat which is already allocated will not be cancelled, and if you get a better seat, you can go for that seat allotment. And sliding option, candidates can choose this option only if he or she is looking for better course option within the allotted institute. So for example, if you got an admission in MTech specialization which you are not looking for, then you can actually wait for the better seat allotment within the institute. For example, if you got a seat in NIT Trichy in MTech transportation, so if you do not want to join MTech transportation but you want to get admission in MTech civil engineering, so then you can wait for the better course allotment or better specialization allotment within the allotted institute. So while exercising these 3 options, you should be very careful whether you are choosing sliding or floating. See, freeze option is okay because if you are satisfied with admission, you can confirm it. But between float and slide option, you need to be a bit careful while choosing these options. So stage 4 of CCMT counseling is payment of seat acceptance fee. So you need to pay the seat acceptance fee by using credit card or debit card or internet banking facility. So you need to pay the seat acceptance fee digitally only. So documents required for verification at reporting center. So once the seat after paying the seat acceptance fee, you need to proceed for document verification at reporting center. So these are the documents like printout of registration form and log choices, seat allotment letter, seat acceptance fee payments receipt, gate scorecard, self-attested. You need to sign on that. ID proof like Aadhaar card, voter card or driving license, date of birth certificate or class 10 certificate, class 12 mark sheet, BTech UG mark sheet, category certificate only if applicable, and is EWS certificate only if applicable, or OBC certificate only if applicable. So these are the documents that you need to carry to the verification center for verification. and after the verification process is done, you need to report at the allotted institute, and the documents to be submitted at the allotted institutes are provisional admission letter, conduct certificate, that is called the conduct certificate, UG or BTech mark sheets original, TC original, so transfer certificate also original, migration certificate, course completion certificate original, and passport size photographs, 3 passport size photographs and 1 set of photocopy of all these documents. So original documents and 1 set of photocopy of all these documents, and photocopy of all these documents should have self attestation. For more details, you can click on the link available under this video. You can also check the list of NITs, IIITs and GFTIs along with previous year cutoffs by clicking on the links available under this video. So you can click on the link available under this video for more details on CCMT counseling and GATE cutoffs. So stay tuned to College Deco for more updates on CCMT and COAP counseling. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.